What's up guys, Johnny here, G-Force Monkeys. Today we are gonna do a quick little unboxing. We have a company that we decided to do some swag swapping with and some cross promotion with. That company is called the Bearded Beaver Grooming Company. Check this out. So they sent us a box here and let's see what's inside. These guys have some pretty awesome products. From looking at their website, they've got some scents that actually are pretty good, because they might be pretty good. I haven't tried them yet. I'm gonna get the chance to try it today. But every time I go to the local store, to like Walmart or wherever, they've got bearded, beard stuff, like waxes and oils, but they all have like pine scent, and all the scents are not very good. I personally don't like them. And these guys seem to have some scents that I might like. So super excited about that, cross our fingers. Let's see what we got first. Check this out. Ooh, look at that, Bearded Beaver. Camouflage flat bill hat, and that's actually a nice little piece, I think, leather there. That's pretty cool. All right, well I needed a new hat, so let's see how this bad boy fits. Oh, I gotta adjust the size. Got a fat head. Here we go. Boom. How's that look? I like it. Here, let's see the front. I like flat bills. People can make fun of flat bills all they want, but I like them because I wear glasses. The bills stay flat. I don't have to worry about it. There you go. Now I can wear these for all the videos. Let's see what we got in here. Oh man, let's get rid of this razor. We have got the hookup. I'm gonna have to shoot another video after I use the products here to let you guys know how this stuff. Ooh, look at this one. Tutti effin' fruity. I like that. Let's see how this puppy smells. Oh, no way. Do you want to smell that? Man, it almost smells like vape juice. I don't vape. Man, this smells so good. Okay, so this is beard oil, and it looks like it's all organic. 9 nutrient-rich oils to promote hair growth and benefit skin and hair health. I love it. Made in the USA. Check that out. Very nice. Not tested on animals. Very cool. Okay. So, I love the smell of that, and I'm glad you guys over at Bearded Beaver, I'm glad you guys sent this scent. That's a good one. And this one here is a beard balm, which I use. Here's how the consistency looks. What do you think, Johnny?
It smells great.
It smells amazing. Oh man, I want to eat it. Seriously, you guys, this stuff is, oh my goodness. And here's some beard cream. I'm excited to use this because my mustache, I don't know if you guys noticed, I'm always showing cars, not my face, but I'm trying to grow the stash out so I can kind of get it out. So I can use all this stuff. But check this out, beard cream. Look at that nice and sealed container. Ooh, look at this. I love it. Smell that. Oh my gosh, you guys, this stuff is, oh, it smells. My mouth is watering. Your mouth shouldn't water. That's a good thing though, because that's the kind of stuff I like. I like stuff that smells good. Oh man, and check this out. I told him we really needed a good shampoo and a conditioner. And here we got it for only our beard. Check it out. I don't know, first I'll let you guys check out the beard first. It's not combed, I just woke up a little while ago. Not too shabby, got some grays in there. It's a little unkept right now. I'm gonna probably throw some in a minute and kind of let you guys see what it looks like just firsthand tossing it in, but let's check this stuff out. Oh my goodness. Oh, it just keeps getting better. Smell that. Look at that. Here you can see it's a clear. It's an actual wash, which is awesome. This is for the beard. So, this small little container here should last quite some time because, you'd only need a tiny bit depending on beard size. And then here's the beard conditioner. Every day that I've been using the regular conditioner, it makes me sad because, oh my goodness, this beard conditioner is probably out of all, because you guys, I'm sure you know how all this different stuff, depending on the formulation, right? We've got a balm, we've got a cream, we've got an oil. These all have slightly different scents to them. And I gotta tell you, I think the conditioner is probably the best version of all these scents. I mean, they're all amazing. Here, I'll let you smell. You'll see what I mean. Yeah. See how it just smells slightly different? I mean, it's the same, but it's slightly different. Oh my gosh. Oh, that stuff smells so good. So good. We got some decals here we get to rock. Probably gonna rock these bad boys somewhere where it matters because This brand is super awesome. And look at that logo again. Look at that, isn't that cool? Kind of reminds me of, he's got the beaver, we've got a monkey here for our logo. All right, so which one should I throw in the beard? Let's see, beard cream, beard balm. I don't have anything to comb in to my beard. Let's do some beard oil. I just put a little bit usually, get a little bit warm. Oh man, I can already smell it. Oh, it smells so good. The smell does change a little bit when you put it into your beard. I think it makes it smell even better. Here we go. How does that look? Just quick firsthand, not doing an actual like in the mirror with a brush, with a comb, you know, thing. Looks pretty good. Oh man, it smells so good. This stuff, I'll tell you guys what, if you guys have had the same problem that I've had, which you can't find something that the missus likes, I mean, they've got all that like pine smell, it smells like you're a tree. I don't know about you, but my significant other doesn't want to rub up on this beard when it smells like a tree or smells like, you know, the dirt from the earth. This stuff here is exactly what we have been looking for. This stuff is bomb. And you guys, they've got like, I don't remember, but like 10 different scents, if not 20 different scents. You guys go check them out at their website. I think it's beardedbeaver.com. They've got a Facebook, beardedbeavergc.com. That's where you can find this stuff. They've got a Facebook. Make sure you guys go follow them. Here, I'll come over here like this. Make sure you guys follow them on Facebook. beardedbeavergc.com. Follow them on Facebook. Get your bearded stuff from them. I've got a lot of bearded friends out there. You guys check this stuff out. I'll probably continue to buy from these guys as well, and I'm gonna try all the different flavors that they've got and see what the wife thinks about that. So this stuff here is awesome. Smells great. My hands smell good. My beard smells good. It's a nice little scent that I can smell throughout the day. We're gonna have to check out the shampoos and the conditioners. We'll keep you guys updated on all that. Check out Bearded Beaver. We're gonna go work on some cars, get them ready for rally, and we're gonna get that other car that we're gonna jump at 1,000 likes for you guys ready as well. We had our buddy Scott come over with SJS Customs. He got the timing all figured out. So that red car is ready to just rally across that freaking backyard of ours. I'm sure you guys saw the other video of us. We're gonna jump that son of a gun at 1,000 subscriptions on our YouTube channel. So make sure you go to gforcemonkeys.com, subscribe. Once we get to 1,000 subscriptions, we jump a car. And then make sure you check out all of our other videos. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. I love the bearded products from Bearded Beaver. Peace out.